Hey guys, today I bring you the Tesla Swivel stand. As a senior Tesla owner, this screen swivel bracket brings me a very good experience. When we open the package, inside is the tools needed to install, as well as rotating bearings and graphic installation instructions, which for those who do not know how to install, provides a great help. I feel that this is more like my childhood, the assembly of educational toys, when I installed successfully. I will have a cup of coffee to treat myself. Okay, let's have a look at the tools we need and get ready to start the installation. Take out the yellow wrench inside the box, but please be careful. Careful removal of screws. Everything is going well so far, and I'm sure you can dismantle just as easily. The location of the nut below this can be removed by twisting the finger. Now is the most exciting moment. Please must be careful. Keep going to twist so you can take off the screen. Align the hex socket head cap bolt, then rotate counterclockwise. There is a white protective case where the screen line is connected. Then use a wrench to gently pry against the junction and pull out. Find this rotating bracket from inside the box. Align the rotating bracket with the notch connected to the screen and plug it in. Use these installation tools for nut fixing. This area should be tightened hard, but remember to make sure to align the groove position. Align the top and bottom of the protective case. Okay, the bottom of the protective case installed in advance. In order to facilitate the articulation of the screen, here's where we start disassembling the wire that connects the screen, and then realign it to plug in. Oh yes, remember the white protective case. Align the plastic shell at the bottom of the just installed. Okay, tighten these nuts. Once you have reinforced all these connections, you can mount our screen on it. The place I'm pointing to is where you need to pay special attention. Please be sure to align, guys. This position you can easily tighten the hex socket head cap bolt. This is the last step. Make sure to align your Tesla model. Guys, I think you can already install it correctly. If you want to have more information about this product, maybe you can try to visit the Tesla website to learn more about us. You can use the search engine to search directly for screen rotation brackets. This page has a more detailed text description. Like the handsome beauty, please help me praise plus subscription.